guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm just going to be doing like get ready with me, maybe a little bit of like chit chatting. I'm not sure if it's gonna be like a regular get ready with me or chit chat get ready with me. I don't know how much I like want to talk or like what to talk about, but yeah, I guess this is just like a get ready with me. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I was just sitting here. First of all, if you hear that little like rattling sound, it's from like something outside, something that our house has outside. Anyways, I was just sitting here thinking about like what makeup look I wanted to do. Well, I kind of had it planned already, but I kind of am in I haven't been in the best mood recently, so I'm just gonna combine two of like my favorite things. I mean, obviously I have other favorite things like family and stuff, but two of my favorite things, which is not to be like a pick me or whatever, but I really love football and like my team is the Steelers. As you can see by the title, I don't know the title, but definitely the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing like a black and yellow kind of makeup tutorial or makeup look because we're undefeated. We're 11-0. Who you know is 11-0? I'll wait. Also, I've been seeing people on like Twitter and stuff saying that we're the worst 11-0 team. Okay, but what are you like? What? I'm confused. Also, don't talk unless you're 11-0, which is we're the only ones. So, anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna combine my two. Also, is this corny? I have like black and yellow clips. I'm gonna combine two of my favorite things, which is makeup and the Steelers. So I think I'm just gonna do like a black and yellow look just while I like talk about random stuff and stuff. So first I'm just gonna like prime my eyelids. I always use, not always, sometimes I use other stuff, but I really love using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. If you guys watch my channel, you kind of already know that I like live by that stuff. If you don't watch my channel, if you're new here, yeah, that's what I use. I also feel like this video, I mean, I just feel like it described me so well. Like I love, like I said, this video is gonna sound very like pick me just because I don't know, I feel like people associate girls liking sports with like them trying to be more likable to guys, but I literally couldn't care less about a man's opinion. Like literally I couldn't care less. Like yeah, I just really like football, so yeah. I honestly don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do. I mean, I know I want it to be like black and yellow, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna do like kind of like, I don't know, honestly. Let's just pull out some Juvia's Place palettes. My favorite yellow ever is from a Juvia's Place palette, and it's from the Zulu palette. It's the yellow palette. As you can see, I hit pan. This is like my favorite yellow ever, honestly. I think I'm gonna kind of do like a blended out but not too blended out, kind of like what are those? Okay, can you guys leave a comment down below on what those looks that are like just like shapes, you know what I mean, kind of like the Euphoria one but like without the gems. What are they called? Because I truly don't know, and I always like, when I say I want to do a look like that, I always am like, but what is that called though? And I literally never know. I think I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see more because I'm very far away, so hold on. So we're up close and personal. And honestly, today's Friday and I'm literally filming this like while the day that I have to like upload it and stuff. I've just been very like, I don't know, like not really in the best mood, not when it comes to like filming or anything, just like in general. So I mean, I really love filming and I try to like, especially in videos like this where it's like just my eyes, when I'm doing my foundation, I've been listening to songs that hype me up and stuff. So like, yeah, recently I have been really liking like Lizzo for like hyping me up type songs. Like she's just so like, her music is just so empowering to like women and stuff. So like I love her. I don't know, it's just very empowering, like I said. But yeah, I've been listening to like Lizzo that hype me up. Okay, so let's talk about our Spotify rewinds, I guess, or whatever they're called. My top listened to artists Wait, before I say, I want you guys to leave a comment down below and try to guess what my like top listened to artists. This will be fun. Okay, so leave a comment down below if you just watch my videos. I mean, if you know me in real life, it'll be interesting too, but if you just watch my video, leave a comment down below on who you think my top listened to artist is. And like, I'm gonna say it in a little bit, but like, comment down below who you think, like just by like my personality and stuff and like how I talk, who do you think my top listened to artist is? Because I like am very curious to see what people think, because I was like shocked, but like not really. I have a top one who like I was surprised about, but like my second one is who is I feel like truly my top listened to artist. But yeah, the top one was just like very shocking to me. I mean, not really, because this person I've been listening to their album. I mean, okay, so comment down below and I'm gonna give a little bit of time and then I'm gonna say it. But this person, I'll give you guys a hint. Their album came out this year, and I think it was this year. Was it the beginning of this year? This year was so long, I honestly don't even know. The album came out this year. They unfortunately, okay, I'm just gonna say it. My number one listened to artist was Pop Smoke, which is surprising to me, but not really, because like I love his music and stuff. But like I was in like the high 5% of people who listen to his music, which is surprising to me, because I'm like, I'm sure there's people who are like from New York and stuff, and like I love his music and I listen to it and I'll be like banging it and stuff, but I'm sure there's people who like it more than me. So to be in the top 5% was kind of confusing to me, but I was like, okay, period. And then my second listen to album artist was Megan. So I was like, I'm surprised that Megan isn't the first, just from literally Good News I've been listening. That's like the only thing I've been listening to since it came out. Like I'm literally obsessed with every song. Okay, I don't like Don't Rock Me to Sleep. I love Megan so much, like, but I hate that song. But other than that, I love every other song on that album. I was kind of surprised that like Pop Smoke was like my number one artist in 2020. And my number one listened to song was WAP. I mean, I share a Spotify account with my sister, so maybe it was like both of us, but I just think that's so funny. Okay, so I did like this yellow, which, look at this yellow and tell me that this isn't the best yellow that you've ever seen. I'll wait. I think I'm gonna take black and kind of like, okay, I'm gonna just show you guys the reference picture that I'm using. This is the reference picture that I'm using. This is kind of how I want it to look. So I think I'm gonna take black and like go around it a little bit. Like I said, this is a Steelers inspired look because we're undefeated 11-0 period. So yeah, what else I can talk about? How people sleep on us so much. I don't know why people sleep on us, because we're like, I also feel like we're such good people. Like, I'm literally a part of the fam. I feel like the Steelers are such good people, at least it seems like it. Like Juju, first of all, can we talk about Juju? I literally love him. He's so cute. It's so funny. Like I always say, like I feel like he needs to be like protected. He's literally like, how old is he? 24? I'm 21. He's like 3 years older than me, but I feel like every time I see him on the TV, I'm just like, oh, and I want to grandma pinch his cheeks. I feel like he's so cute, and like he just needs to be protected from like the world. Like I just feel like he's the sweetest thing ever. But yeah, I don't know, people hate on us and I really don't know why, but we gonna win the Super Bowl, babes. And then what y'all got to say? Now that I have that, it's very like uneven and stuff, but I think I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow. I really like the Urban Decay Blackout. It's in the Gwen Stefani palette. I honestly don't know, this palette is like not new, but I honestly don't know if they still have the blackout shadow, but I love that black. Like filming just puts me in such a good mood. I don't know, like even when I'm not in the best mood, like I was saying, like filming sometimes like gets me there. And that's another thing that I'm happy about, like my progression in like YouTube and stuff. I used to like, if I wasn't in the best mood, not be able to like film and stuff, but I kind of feel like even if I'm not in the best mood with my schedule, like since I have scheduled uploads, I want to like upload on those days because like I don't want to miss an upload. But I also feel like if I'm not in a good mood, being like, well, I have to film, and just filming puts me in a good mood basically. So like that's another thing that like I'm happy about. I think I'm gonna add a liner at the bottom just to attach it, and also that's good for when you do lashes, it conceals your lash strand. What's you guys' favorite song? I mean, this is literally just a music and Steelers. Get ready with me. What's you guys' favorite song off of Good News? And if you haven't listened to it, go listen to it and then tell me. I think my favorite song is Crybaby. But I literally am in love with the baby. Like, literally, I love him so much. So, like, anything that he does, I think I'm, like, obsessed with because I'm just in love with him. I think he's so fine. I think his voice is... Listen, I'm in love with him. So anything that he does, I'm like... And it's Megan. It's Meg and the baby. I'm like... Can I get it injected into my veins, please? I love that song. And then I think my second favorite song is Freaky Girls, which I really do love that song. Then I think I said What's New, and then Do It on the Tip, and then Shots Fired. I think that's how it goes for me, but they're all fire. So thinking about having to redo this on the other eye is giving me anxiety. Okay, so my camera stopped recording, like it does that after a certain amount of time. So I just did my other eye. I am really bad at making things even, so it looks a little bit uneven. This side looks a little bit crazy, but it's okay. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just went off camera and put on a lash. I think it's a cute look. I mean, I don't know how much it is Steelers, but because it's black and yellow, I mean, it could be a Bumblebee or the Steelers. Like, it's like either one. But yeah, I know this was kind of like a short video. I feel like with what I was talking and stuff, and I know that I got cut off in one of the clips because my camera stopped recording while I was like talking. So if it kind of just seemed like this video ended abruptly, then like not this part, but like the parts where I was talking and it felt like it ended abruptly, that's why. So yeah, I guess this was a fun video for me to make just because, like, I don't know, it was just like me talking a little bit and also like doing my makeup, and I just wanted something to tell you guys that like we're undefeated, because we are. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite NFL team. I was gonna say comment if they're undefeated, but you can only comment that we're undefeated if it's the Steelers, so period. Comment your favorite NFL team down below, and also comment what your Spotify #1 artist is, because that's what we were talking about in this video as well. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.